A few years ago, during the coronavirus pandemic, it struck on my family really, really hard. My father told me, "Look, son, you need to go get a job or you go learn a skill." At that point in my life, I knew a job was not what I needed, but I needed to learn a skill. That was why I went to learn how to sew. I'm now a professional tailor, but that is not what I want out of life. So after sewing for 2 to 3 months, learning because already I practiced and I learned how to sew very well. I sew for people, I did for a lot of people and everything. But along the line, I found out that that was not where my happiness was. There was something that has always been burning inside my heart, something that I wanted to find a way to achieve, something that I'm finding, and that particular target, that particular dream of achieving these things, I could not achieve it, and I know I could not achieve it through sewing or tailoring. So what did I do? Look, I told my father, I told him, look, I'm not doing this anymore. I have to find a way. Look, success is not tied to a job. Success in life is not tied to a job. If you want to be successful, you must open your mind and know that it's not the job that you are doing that's going to give you the success that you want. Of course, it's possible that a lot of people they have high paying jobs, okay, or they are connected to some big companies and they are earning well. But for you and I, okay, or for you in particular, if you want to find a way to make a lot of money, you must have an abundance mindset and know that if you want that money, you cannot get richer than your employer. You cannot get richer than your boss, okay? You cannot get richer than your boss. Does this mean you should go around quitting results or this or that? No, it's that you must open your mind to know that if you want to get more out of life, you must get better. It's not about quitting your job immediately and saying, okay, I want to go and start business online and then do this, or you want to follow like me. No, you need to know that you must get more valuable. The more valuable you get, the more valuable people you attract. And these people are going to reward you more. So when I quit my job, what did I do? I went to find out the people that have money who are going to pay me better for the service I need to offer. You need to find people who are willing and ready to pay you better, okay, for the exact same service that you're offering. You're not meant for everybody. The people that are poor, they will only pay you poorly. The people that are rich, they will pay you out of the abundance of what they have. This is just the ultimate secret. If you do not have money in your hand, okay, do not say that there are not people that have money, okay? It's just about your mindset. Money doesn't fly, it doesn't disappear. It is being printed every day. You have to understand the language that it speaks. This is the ultimate secret, and that is why I quit my job as a tailoring or whatever I was at that time to make sure that I open my mind to meet the people that will reward me for the exact same service, okay? I am still a fashion designer, I'm still a tailor, but it's very important that I switch my mindset from what I had at that time. And I thank God for all the things that have happened, okay? For you, I don't know what skill you might be having, okay? What business you are doing, but you need to know that you must find a way to reach people, to meet the people that are going to reward you even more better, 10 times more than the current people you are serving. This is one way that for you to make more money out of the job that you're doing. But first, before you can qualify for this, you must make sure that you are offering genuine service, that they can trust you. It's all about building trust. How credible you are, how competent are you? Okay, this is very important. And I hope that this strikes a bell and that I wish you good success and that you'll be able to achieve all the things that you want out of life. And you'll meet at the top. I'll see you again.